All right, chapter 9, how to build a team to deliver an amazing virtual event or private live stream for your next event. Let's do it. Keep in mind, event planning is not easy. It's going to take a team, and defining the roles and making sure everyone knows who's doing what keeps everybody kind of working together fluidly. So that's what this is all about today. Building a team. You can see our team here for the this is the 2019 Stream Geek Summit there. We had a great esports tournament. And the things that you look for, obviously, is commitment and reliability so that your team members, have a stake in the success of the event, and they're going to be there through thick and thin for you. You're looking for expertise versus availability. Someone who's not available, it doesn't matter how much of an expert they are, they can't make it to your event. If you're able to handle pressure, that is important. This is not an easy job. Event managers need to think on their feet and be resourceful and respond with speed. Again, teamwork, think about building this team with synergy and people who are able to complement each other. So the event director is somebody who's incredibly important. They oversee everything, and they're usually responsible for communicating with all of the external partners. You're going to need external partners, most likely, and you should find those people and work with them. Now, the creative team is various team members who are responsible for branding the event, producing and communication materials, and they manage the website development, social media, and the content creation. This team generally is fairly big, 2 or 3 people at least, because of how important the jobs are. Now, the treasurer, right? This is the person who oversees the budget, and they're involved in a lot of meetings saying what you can afford and what you can't afford. And, from a marketing perspective, they need to work closely with social media promotions, advertising, things like that. Now, operations and logistics, these are the people in charge of transportation, supplies, the venue management, the crowd management, parking, security. A lot of times, some of these things can be offloaded to third parties. For example, your venue may provide security. They may provide parking. They may already have supplies that can help you set up your event. The technical team, these are the people that manage technology aspects of the event. These are the people who set up the equipment, the video, the displays, the sound, the lighting, the power. Someone on this team should be in close contact with your creative team in order to properly brand your live video streams and recordings. The catering team, obviously, if you're doing an in-person event, you need to feed everyone. An interesting thought is to have watch parties where people online can actually have a little party and feed themselves. That's what happens with the Super Bowl, and a massive amount of chicken wings and guacamole is served every year. Marketing and sales, these are so important. Obviously, the marketing people get the word out. The sales people work with large events and venues to get people to your event, whether it be virtual or online. And this can include PR. So public relations, sending out press releases and working with the press is incredibly important. Entertainment. If you're trying to entertain and deliver an amazing experience, you should have an entertainer, you should have a DJ, a host, someone who can get on camera, up on stage, and keep the event flow moving as smoothly as possible. So those are some of the team members that you should be thinking about including in your team to pull off an incredible event. Again, modern consumers today are very much willing to pay for experiences. So put a team together, invest in your team, and it will pay off when you get those great ticket sales. You have an awesome event. It continues to grow. It continues to snowball. Teamwork makes the dream work. If you have any questions about building a team, we put on an event in New York City. We've also done digital events, in-person events. We're knowledgeable about how to do all of this stuff, and we're happy to help. So let me know in the comments below, and we'll continue this great video series coming up soon.